ketogenic diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet which has been used for generations to help people control their weight. Some of the best Keto OMAD results plans are the following. Eat meat and vegetables, low carbs with few spices or seasonings. Drink water and unsweetened tea. Don't drink alcohol or fruit juices. Avoid high-carbohydrate fruits such as apples, pears, peaches, and mangoes. Take the above suggestions and still be cautious of eating too many high-carbohydrate foods. Prevent emotional eating. Stay away from all food additives, preservatives, and artificial food coloring such as artificial sweeteners. MSG in soy has been known to have a negative influence on weight loss. Avoid saturated fats such as coconut or palm oils, butter, lard, or any other animal fats, lipids. Before knowing more about this incredible diet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to never miss our new diet plan. What is a Keto OMAD diet? Keto means ketosis in the sense that the body begins to break down stored fat and transforms it into ketones, which are then converted into energy by way of the liver. Ketones are produced as a byproduct of this process, so controlling your body's fat store is an absolute necessity for a successful weight loss plan. Although everyone is different, most people who take up this easy-to-follow plan experience increased energy levels, improved mental clarity, reduced appetite and cravings for carbohydrates, carbs, and sugars, glucose. People who often have trouble losing weight may find that even after a few weeks on the diet, they have made noticeable progress. A Keto OMAD diet helps with weight loss because it controls blood sugar levels and insulin production. For people struggling with their weight, the keto diet plan is a must-have. Most people who start out on this diet lose weight quickly, as well making it easier to maintain the correct eating habits. The Keto OMAD Results Plan is a great option for those who wish to lose body fat, but don't want to go on extreme diets or crash diets that can make you feel hungry and irritable. There are 1,000 different ways to eat when you follow the Keto OMAD plans. However, the basic rule is simple: eat low carb, high fat, and restrict your carbs intake. Why is the Keto OMAD diet so effective? The ketogenic diet relies on the body to create energy via ketones, which are produced when dietary fat is broken down and converted into glucose mostly through the liver. This process helps replace glucose derived from carbohydrates that your body typically uses for energy. The idea is to get your body into a state known as ketosis if you want to follow the Keto OMAD plan. The body will begin converting fatty acids into energy, and as a result, your body weight decreases. Most people find that they feel less hungry and are not craving for carb-rich foods like breads, sweets, or donuts. A Keto OMAD diet produces faster results for individuals who are trying to change their eating habits to improve their overall health and well-being. Keto OMAD is not just another diet plan, but a way of life if you stick to it. In fact, you don't even need to give up your favorite foods to follow this healthy eating plan. This allows people who are having trouble losing weight to eat foods that they love in moderation and still lose weight. You can still enjoy tasty cakes, chocolate, and ice cream while being able to reduce your body weight by following the Keto OMAD diet plan. The Keto OMAD plan. Keto OMAD is low-carb, high-fat, and moderate protein. The Keto OMAD diet plan is a healthy diet that promotes weight loss through the use of moderation. This means you can eat all the foods you want while avoiding forbidden foods such as white bread, donuts, and pastries. The Keto OMAD diet plan should be a 3-day cycle. You can repeat the diet plan 2 or 3 times a month. It's important to eat small meals that are high in fat, protein, and low in carbs most of the time. Repeat this process until you've reached your desired weight loss goal. Here is an example of what eating on a Keto OMAD diet might look like. Day 1. Start your day with a cup of coffee, unsweetened, and drink water or unsweetened tea. Eat a low-carbohydrate breakfast such as eggs and vegetables. Choose healthy high-fat foods such as coconut oil, cheese, olive oil, and avocados. Get plenty of fiber from low-carbohydrate vegetables, Avoid starchy veggies such as potato, corn, and peas. Have a moderate lunch such as salmon, chicken, or beef with spinach and avocado salad or other non-starchy veggies. Drink some water in the middle of the afternoon before having another serving of veggies for an early dinner. Try a low-carbohydrate snack if you feel hungry between meals. Day 2. Breakfast includes eggs cooked in butter and watercress with half an avocado. Lunch includes chicken or salmon with a salad. 2 pieces of whole wheat toast, no butter, with strawberries and coffee. Dinner consists of a piece of meat, turkey or chicken, cooked in olive oil, green beans, cauliflower, and sautéed mushrooms. Serve with brown rice or quinoa, some squash cooked in coconut oil, and a side dish of fruit. Snacks might include nuts or cheese if you can tolerate dairy. Day 3. Breakfast is cooked vegetables and eggs. The vegetables could include asparagus, spinach, and mushrooms cooked in butter with 2 fried eggs. Lunch is an omelet made with broccoli, ham, onions, and cheese, or salmon with a side of leafy greens. Dinner is fish or meat with a side serving of vegetables or salad. Drink tea in the afternoon and eat a smaller low-carbohydrate dinner to avoid feeling hungry. Here's a quick guide on how to start the Keto OMAD diet. First, you need to find out your body mass index, BMI. The easiest way is to search the BMI calculator on any search engine. BMI is a calculation that determines whether you are underweight, normal weight, overweight, or obese. To maintain your health and lose weight, it's best that you have a BMI between 18 and 25. A BMI over 30 indicates that you are overweight or obese. This means that your body fat percentage is at least 30%. If you want to start the Keto OMAD diet plan, but are worried about losing muscle mass, don't be concerned, as there is no need for concern if you follow a healthy diet plan such as this one. If you are in a rush, choose a diet plan that is right for you. Start your keto journey on Monday or Tuesday so you have the weekend to prepare. The first day is going to be the toughest, so give yourself some time to get used to it. Stay hydrated and try not to snack during the day, as this will hinder your weight loss efforts. Snacking leads to overeating and an increase in body fat percentage. Be sure that when you eat, you aren't hungry. This will cause your body to go into starvation mode and result in weight gain rather than weight loss. Lastly, have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things about the benefits of a Keto OMAD diet for weight loss. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't hesitate to watch our other videos on the Keto OMAD diet to have a more precise meal plan. Also, don't forget to let us know if this worked for you and how it affected your body. Thanks for watching this video, and if you want more videos on how to boost your metabolism and lose more weight, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos.